everyone, in this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to adjust photo transparency in Canva and effectively add text that stands out. Let's begin with this photo as our example. Click on the photo, then locate the transparency icon. Adjust the slider to reduce the transparency, aiming for around 70% transparency to create a faded yet visible effect. Next, head to the Text tab and insert your desired text. Opt for a bold font choice and customize the color for better readability. To make the text more prominent, navigate to Effects and select the Lift effect. This will add a subtle shadow, enhancing the text visibility. Now, refine the photo's color tone. Click on Edit for the photo and explore the available filters. Use the sliders to adjust the intensity of the effect to your preference. And there you have it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.